Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have some exciting news to share with you. Me and Mr. Taylor will be expecting a new addition to our family, so we're so excited. I am officially 21 weeks. Yes, that's scary, right? Really scary. I did not know. I've always had irregular menstrual cycles, and I had to take medication to actually generate a menstrual cycle, or I would never have one. So I was out of my medication, so I just never had a cycle, or basically all year long, and I know that's scary within itself. Nonetheless, we are expecting. We found out when we came back from Punta Cana. If you did not watch our Punta Cana vlog, I will link it right here. But we're going to go out today. We're going to do a little sightseeing, trying to baby price some items. We don't know what we're having. I'm sitting here texting back with my little sister, my mini-me, and she's just texted me, I hope it's a girl. She's been saying that for the last 2 weeks. We don't know what we're having. We're just praying that we have a healthy baby. So we're not really going to purchase anything. We probably purchase minor things, not anything significant, because we want to wait till we know the sex of the baby before we go into big purchases and things like that. So I just wanted to come on and jump on real quick. Have Cortez home with us, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to run to a few stores, we're going to shop around, and I'm going to take you guys along with us, so stay tuned. Go ahead and say hi, Mr. Taylor.
Hello people. Hello people.
Cortez, say hey. So how Mr. Taylor, I shared our good news.
I'm sure you did.
You excited?
Very much so.
But you want a boy, correct?
Whatever God bless us with.
Okay. Cortez, what you prefer?
I'll take a boy.
My little sister wants a girl. So it's just up in the air. I can't wait to start shopping. I'm excited about shopping, but I'm a little sad that my shopping is going to have to, I'm not going to be able to shop for myself anymore.
Nope.
All the shopping has
no Sephora.
We're going to Sephora. I'm going to treat myself before the baby comes. But I did also tell Mr. Taylor, because this is all his fault, that he has to purchase me a whole new wardrobe.
Nothing my fault.
Right? Didn't we talk about that? Mr. Taylor, you got to buy me a new wardrobe, right?
Nope.
No, yes, you. Yes.
That money going to the baby.
Yep, Mr. Taylor.
You hear that, Cortez?
Yeah, he hear it. That's
that
right. You gotta buy me. I need new wardrobe for work.
Sorry, buddy. That goes to the baby.
No. So we're going out. Oh, I want to go to Walmart, because
you're going to thrift stores.
No, Walmart has some cute like fall stuff, and I wanted to look at it and check it out. I may get some stuff today for myself.
What did I just tell you?
It's a Walmart out here, right?
Nope. Nope.
I want to go to Walmart. I want to go to Target.
Nope.
They got a Carter's out here.
Nope.
We're going to Old Navy.
Nope.
So we will see.
So be telling them people them lies.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club. Usual, unusual, rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice, hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep,
Good morning, good afternoon actually. It is 12 o'clock. And just wanted to jump on. I got a lot of stuff that I'm going to be doing today. And I'm going to be checking in with you guys throughout. First thing that I really want to do is try to do a touch up on my nails. So seriously, this is the first time you've been on my lap all day. As soon as you hear me talking, anytime she hear me talking, she think I'm talking to her and she needs all the attention. Hey, it's nap time for you. So, stop, mama. Here, get back here. Sit there. Thank you. I am going to use my nail drill and let me change the bed. I have a nail case that I keep all of my nail supplies. So these are the bits. I'm gonna put a new strip on there. And I am going to go ahead and take this color off and sand my nails down so that I can get them prepped for a refill. But before I refill my nails, I'm gonna wash my hair. I need to wash my hair so I can start air drying, and then I'll come back and fill in my nails while the conditioner is in my hair. So let's get started.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay guys, so I took all the polish off my nails. Now I am about to wash my hair because I want to braid it up and prepare myself, because I want to do a crochet in my head. But last week I had straightened my hair. Now I need to just wash it so I can get it back to its natural state and just get it clean. So I am going to be using my Shea moisturizer, Jamaican black castor oil, strength and restore shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. This is one of my favorite shampoos, and I'm using the conditioner as well. So I'm just gonna wash my hair. You guys may be able to watch me do that, and then we're gonna go from there.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and everything. All I wanna hear is
I was gonna get the everybody together like the original.
Okay guys, so now I'm about to go upstairs and put some trinkets. Look at that. Whew. Put some conditioner in my hair and
You know what I'm saying?
put a shower cap on my head to let it do a deep conditioning, and
I just feel like
then I'll come back downstairs and finish with these nails. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I finished the filling. I gotta file them. I cut my nails down really low because this one broke, and it's kind of semi-cracked, so I'm not going to put any acrylic on it. So I just cut the nails down low so it don't look really crazy. I am going to put some polish, and I'm hoping that it doesn't get infected. But Callie wants to go out real quick, so I'm going to take her out because it's 2:30 and she hasn't been out since this morning. But guys, I wanted to show you my little baby bump. Let me turn this light on. Because my stomach is growing. We are officially 25 weeks. Let me see. I think we're 26 weeks today. Yep, 26 weeks today. And my little baby bump, let me see if I can show you guys. It's kind of showing. I can show you better with my without my little baby bump. Yeah. So yeah, this is baby Taylor, and so we're gonna do some walking. You know, I always like walking. Is exercise for me. Take her out, let her walk. My goal is to try to do 20 minutes so I can get home at least back in the house by 3. I'm hungry, so I'm hungry, but I don't want to. I was going to drink a protein, but I don't want to do that because then I'm not going to eat. Yes, I actually just purchased these Premier protein, and these are the pumpkin limited edition. So I'm hoping it's going to taste okay because I haven't put any in the refrigerator yet. I'm burning the, what's this? What is this? This is a, is this fucking, yes. Harvest Gathering from Bath and Body Works in the kitchen. This is what the protein shake look like. I'm gonna put 3 in the refrigerator for next week. I'm gonna take 1 with me. So we're about to go for a little walk, and we'll be back, and then I'll finish up these nails. Rinse my hair out, let it start air drying, and eventually I have to cook dinner. I'm doing a chicken stir fry for myself for this week for my meal prep, and I think Mr. Taylor and Cortez will be eating some maybe pork chops or chicken. I don't know what they want. And whatever they want, he wants some cornbread. I haven't made cornbread in forever. And I think they going to eat rice, corn, and spinach. But I'm going to meal prep my food because I really hate cooking 2 meals. And they never eat what I eat, and I don't eat what they eat. So if I cook mines for the week, then that's out of the way, and then next week all I have to do is just worry about cooking dinner for them. So that's the goal. Alright guys, let me take her for a walk and I'll be back. Hey guys, so it is way later in the afternoon. I had to go and take me a little nap. If you have ever been pregnant, you know you get tired. I just rinsed the conditioner out of my hair. I'm just going to keep it tied up for the time being because it's 6:30 and I need to start cooking. I have not cooked because I've been asleep since 4 o'clock. I was going to do me a chicken stir fry for dinner tonight, but I just realized that I don't have any cornstarch. So what I'm going to do is prep what I was going to fix for lunch for the week, which is ground turkey tacos, and I'll eat that tonight for dinner, and then I'll cook the dinner for the guys afterwards. So that's my alarm telling me I need to take my prenatal. I already did that before I came downstairs because I already knew what time it was. So because I'm running behind time, I'm not going to film. Let me just hurry up and cook because it's, like I said, it's already 6:30 and I know the guys is going to be hungry. I just fed Callie and I'll pick you guys up if I do anything else this evening. I'm still kind of tired. I really want to get back in the bed. I'm not even gonna lie. I want to get back in the bed and go to sleep, but I need to cook and I'm hungry, so I need to eat because, oh my gosh, I didn't even drink the whole Premier Protein after we came. When I took Callie out to walk, I only drank half of it because it was kind of like room temperature, so it wasn't that good. And I came in the house and put it in the freezer so it can warm up, and my intentions was to drink the other half. So technically for lunch all I had was a half of a Premier Protein. So I'm super hungry right now. It's frozen because it's been in the freezer for almost 3 hours. So let me start cooking. I'm super hungry. The baby is saying feed me now, so I'll be back. So guys, my ground turkey has cooked. I am moving on to fixing dinner for the guys, but I'm going to eat probably for them because I'm hungry. I wanted to show you these. I found these today in the market. 0 net carbs. So yeah, so I got these for my tacos to try them out. This is the nutritionist fat.
What kind of rifle is that? It's a Trump rifle. Just in case. Hopefully we don't need it.
And I'm gonna see how they taste. It says 7 grams of carbs, but 7 grams of fiber, so that cancels out the carbs. So, and it's keto approved, which we're always looking for. We try to eat healthy as possible. So yeah, so I just wanted to show that to you guys. And I put 3 of them. I'm hoping I can eat 3. I'm so hungry. I'm thinking I'm gonna be able to eat 3. They're so tiny. So I put 3 of them in the oven and heat up. And I'm gonna put salsa and cheese on top of my ground turkey mix. And that will be my dinner tonight, guys. So let me finish. I have these pork chops on the oven for the guys, so let me finish cooking their food and watching it, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning. I don't think I'm picking you back up. I'll show you my tacos tonight, but that'll be it. Good morning and happy Monday. It is super early. It's actually 7:30. I just got finished mopping my kitchen floor. I am about to start on my hair, so I'm going to take you guys upstairs, but first things first, I need to fix me a cup of coffee to start my day off. Yes, I still drink coffee, but I drink decaf, so give me 1 second. So I am going to be using my sugar-free, I mean 0 sugar pumpkin spice by Coffee Mate. And it's a total of 1 carb in this. So, yeah. I'm adding everything to my fitness pal. And right now I drink Dunkin' Donuts decaf because it's the only one that they sell in the market. I need to order some coffee offline.
Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions how we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish you wait. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
Hey guys, so we're about to get started on our Asiago bowl. I'm using the strawberry triple threats. Let me just stir it up. Get it nice and creamy. And before I put it in the bowl, I am going to use my powder, and I get this one from Walmart, and I'm only going to use, this says use 1.5 teaspoons, so that's what we're gonna do. I always got my measuring spoons. One, and this is a little bit. So okay, so we're gonna show you guys what we're doing, and I'm just gonna stir it up, and
Used to have friends, how I got enemies. Used to keep them close, now they dead to me. Used to have friends, how I got enemies. Enemies, yeah, so sad. Fix it, I would never get this far. Think that we don't see who you are. Left into the bank like ha. Fix it, I'm just talking too much blah blah blah. So where did y'all go when I was shit broke? Couldn't even buy smokes. Now your mama needs tickets to my stadium show. She love it when she hear me on the radio. I know it's hard to swallow your pride. Sorry that you can't get over me. Now you're out my life, I'm so relieved. I used to have friends, now I got enemies. Used to keep them close, now they dead to me. Money tend to show all the tendencies. Enemies, yeah, so sad. Sometimes, every time they let me down. Sometimes, every time they let me down. Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Enemies, yeah, so sad.
Close to my enemy, let's go. I need better energy. When I told you fuck you, you thought I was playing, huh? Yeah. But I made this shit litter. She wanted to vibe, but I told her fuck that. She look at me like she's surprised, packing the post. And I'm on my lawn, the box at the door to go for 35. I tried to put up for my partners, they turning the enemies right before a nigga high. You reach for a shake, I'm a whole lot of fish. Give a nigga a quarter pound without the problem. I just went double platinum with no.
So guys, doing these braids, I just realized that my face is getting really fat. I have been eating a lot of junk food since I've been pregnant, and I think I am going to stop eating junk food. I'm gonna make it my mission to stop eating junk food for these last 3 months of my pregnancy, because I'm not liking this at all. But yeah, this is the final look. This is gonna be my hair style for the next few weeks, maybe 2 weeks or so. Hopefully it'll be able to last that long, just so I won't have to be doing anything to my hair. and I can give my head a break from wearing wigs so much. I did purchase some sleep, let me see, let me find them, some new bonnets, which I stated I will leave this hair down below. And this is it's 2 braid bonnets. So these are the long ones for braids. I will leave all of this stuff down below if you're interested in this. It took me all day, but I did take a break. I left out the house. I went over, I went to visit someone. I went to 2 markets, stopped and got some dinner. So in the midst of doing all of this, but you like how I did the individuals? They look like box braids. Yep. So this is the do. Try to see if I can put it in a bonnet. And I think I may try to lay down for a little bit, because I am getting tired, guys. Baby Taylor is wearing me out, and I still need to do a haul and show you the stuff that we picked up while we've been shopping. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow when I come home from work. I'm tired. How do you put these bonnets on? I need to put some clothes away, and I'm sleepy because I wash clothes. I need to put the clothes out of the dryer away. But guys, it is 7:50. I don't feel like it. I feel like I just want to get in the shower and get myself in the bed for the night, and try to get my life in order. I need to make my yogurt for tomorrow. Let me know how you like this hairstyle. I'll be back in the morning and hit y'all up. Peace.